Getting around on transit. Traveling on buses. The bus system is a great way to get around Metro Vancouver, and using them is easy. To board a bus, simply wait at the bus stop. When your bus approaches, move near the ID pole to indicate that you're waiting for the bus. Once the bus has fully stopped, allow passengers to exit before boarding the bus. Many of the bus stops in the region are accessible. Look for the International Disabilities symbol. Line up for the bus, staying a few feet back to allow the bus ramp to deploy. There are also lifts on community shuttles. Once on the bus, tap in at the reader. If you require any assistance, such as tapping your compass card, please speak to the driver. Note the priority stickers above seats near the front. Please give priority to passengers with disabilities and seniors. Some disabilities are not visible, so please be aware of those that might be in need of a seat. When on the bus, indicate your stop by telling your driver, pressing the button, or pulling the cord. For customers using a mobility aid, there's a stop button under the foldable priority seats. An illuminated sign will confirm the stop. Exit the bus via the back doors. Some buses will require you to make contact at the center of the doorway. For customers requiring additional assistance, please inform the driver, who can provide assistance for you to exit at the front of the bus. Now enjoy your day around Metro Vancouver.